I need to take it down right now.
Noah, stop. Take your hand off the mouse.
You don't understand. The graph at 1402 is wrong. I used the 2024 data. It's misinformation.
It's a minor error in a 20-minute video. We can pin a correction.
A correction? And admit I'm incompetent? No. People are gonna tear us apart. I can feel it. My face is burning. I can't breathe properly. The walls feel like they're closing in.
Okay, pause. Look at me. You are in a high alert state.
I'm not in a state, Millie. I'm in a crisis. This is our reputation. If we leave this up, we lose credibility. That is a logical fact.
It is not a fact. It is a hallucination. And right now, you are biologically incapable of seeing the difference.
Excuse me? I'm incapable?
Yes. Think of your brain like a building. The penthouse is the prefrontal cortex. That's where logic, planning, and rational Noah live. But right now, the elevators are broken. You can't get to the penthouse.
So where am I?
You are in the basement. You are in the amygdala. The basement only knows one thing: survive.
I feel like I'm surviving. I'm trying to save the channel.
No, you are catastrophizing. Your brain has flooded your system with norepinephrine or adrenaline. It's agitation. It's the feeling of wanting to move, to run, to delete. You think it's urgent, but it's just chemistry.
But why? Why does a graph make me feel like I'm in a war zone? It's just pixels.
Because your nervous system doesn't know the difference between public shame and physical death.
That sounds dramatic.
It's evolutionary. We evolved in tribes. If you made a mistake and the tribe mocked you, you were exiled. And in the wild, exile meant death. So we developed a biological alarm system for humiliation.
So my brain thinks the YouTube comment section is a pack of wolves?
Exactly. And it's hitting an old wound.
The wound.
The neural circuit. When was the first time you felt this specific burning feeling? The feeling that a mistake would end your life?
4th grade, the spelling bee.
Tell me.
I was in the finals. My dad was in the front row. The word was receipt. I said I before E. The judge rang the bell. Ding.
And then?
The whole auditorium laughed. It wasn't mean, really, just amusement. But then I looked at my dad.
What was his face doing?
He wasn't looking at me, he was looking at his lap. He was embarrassed. He wouldn't look me in the eye on the ride home. The silence in that car, it was louder than the bell.
And that silence taught your brain a rule, a maladaptive schema. The rule is, if I make a mistake, the people I love will look away. If I'm flawed, I'm alone.
So when I see that wrong graph, I'm back in the car.
You're back in the car. You're trying to delete the video to stop your dad from looking away.
Okay, I get it. It's trauma. But knowing that doesn't fix it. My heart is still hammering at 120 beats per minute.
Because knowledge is top-down processing, but panic is bottom-up. You can't think your heart rate down. You have to use the mechanical brakes.
I tried deep breathing. It didn't work.
Because you did it wrong. When you're panicked, just taking a deep breath doesn't work because your carbon dioxide tolerance is off. You need a specific protocol. We need to engage the vagus nerve. It connects your diaphragm to your brainstem. We're going to do the physiological sigh.
Is this the double inhale thing?
Yes, your lungs have tiny sacs called alveoli. When you're stressed, they collapse, they get sticky. That traps carbon dioxide in your blood, which makes you more anxious. We need to pop them open.
Show me.
2 inhales through the nose, the first one deep, then a second sharp sip of air to top it off. Then, a long, slow exhale through the mouth.
Okay.
Do it with me. Inhale, top it off. Now exhale, long. Empty the lungs completely.
Whoa.
Again, inhale, top it off, exhale. You are physically offloading CO2. You are manually slowing the heart.
My hands stopped shaking, but I still feel sick.
Good. Now step 2, panoramic vision. Stop staring at the laptop. Look at the wall. Look at the corners of the room. Move your eyes side to side.
Why?
When you are stressed, you have foveal vision, tunnel vision. When you force your eyes to go wide, you send a signal to the brainstem, I am safe enough to look at the horizon. It turns off the threat radar.
The room looks bigger.
Because you just stepped out of the basement. The elevator is back online.
It's still a wrong graph.
Yes, but is it a tiger?
No, it's a typo.
Can you survive a typo?
Correction, data's from 2024. It still hurts my ego.
Good. Let it hurt. That is limbic friction. You are pushing against the old wiring. Every time you post a mistake and survive, you are rewriting the code. You are teaching the shamed child that he is safe.
Posted.
Okay, keep your eyes on the screen. Don't close the tab.
It feels heavy. Like I'm waiting for the blow, for the silence in the car.
It's not coming. Imagine you are back in that passenger seat right now, but this time you're not looking at your lap. You're looking your dad in the eye.
He's not turning away.
No, he's not, and neither is the audience. You made a mistake, Noah, and you are still worthy of being here.
Nobody's looking away.
Exactly. You're still here. Now, inhale, top it off, exhale, and let it go.